What's good, YouTube? You already know what time it is. Your boy is excited. I've been holding on to this surprise for I don't even know how long. It's been months already, but boom. That is my surprise that I've been waiting to show you guys all this time. I'm hyped to finally, I don't think you guys understand how hyped I am. I'm finally, like, I've been waiting to introduce this to the channel for so long already, but as you could tell, yes, it is a motorcycle. It is a 2013 GSXR 750. As you can see, I already did some of my own personal touches to it. Like I made the R, the GSXR R right there, gold. I also made the 750 in the back, gold over here. I added my ram mount so I can see where I'm going. I got my shout out to Johnny and Cassandra. I appreciate you guys giving me this. This is definitely dope. I love this. It keeps me humble when I'm out there ripping it. Always reminds me, gotta stay safe out there. I also put my double bubble windscreen, zero gravity. Sorry, she's a little dirty right now. I actually just took her out of just took the cover off her. She got a little pollen on her and stuff. But that's because we just had a rainstorm last night actually. But yeah, it's a beautiful ass day outside. It's 70 damn degrees outside. I'm over here sweating because, you know, at GAT, all the gear all the time. You already know what time it is, no matter what, whether it's hot or not, because eventually I'm going to be getting into stunts and stuff, so, you know, gotta have the proper gear if I'm going to be falling and practicing new things. So yeah. Oh, I also got the tech spec tank pad, the snakeskin tank pad that I put on myself. Everything I installed, all this, I got the spools. I got the spools right here. I got the frame sliders over here. So yeah, you know, it's a pretty clean bike. I picked it up from the owner for $6,000 actually. He just finished paying off the loan that he got to buy this. As soon as he finished paying this off, the guy actually had heart surgery, so he gave it to me for a steal. I feel bad because he wasn't able to ride the bike. Like, I got this bike with 800 miles on it flat for $6,000. That's insane. That is unheard of. But anyway, I'm about to go fill up my tank and go meet up with my boy Gabe out in Brooklyn. We about to go take some pics. So we took pics before, but they got lost, so we got to go out there again. But yeah, so I'll start her up. As you can see, look at the miles. I already almost put 1,000 miles on this. So yeah, this is my baby. Like I said, she's a little dirty because I didn't get the chance to clean her. I actually got to get my inspection. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Almost 1,000 miles. This baby can go up to 186 miles an hour stock. That's until I get rid of this bolt in the back right here. I'm gonna get rid of this and put a full exhaust with headers and everything, like a shorty pipe. But yeah, that's soon to come. I got a whole bunch of videos, a whole bunch of stuff I still gotta do to this bike. You'll see. I got a bunch of riding to do with my pops, my little brother. But yeah, anyway, let's go take this over to go get some gas. On the side street, anybody can pop out the side street at any time. So I usually wait to unleash the power of this beast, because, you know, 750 cc. That's a big boy engine, and this is my first bike. Well, I used to ride dirt bikes and stuff all the time growing up, dirt bikes and quads, but this is actually my first motorcycle, legal street riding motorcycle. So it's pretty dope. I could tell my dad was ecstatic, my little brother was ecstatic. So I'm happy because now me and my dad can do some riding. My little brother, now he got another goal on his list that he added. Now it's time for him to get a motorcycle, so me, him, and my pops and my grandfather can all ride. My whole family rides. So I grew up with my dad racing on the track and racing, doing like stunts and stuff, being in stunt videos. There's actually plenty of videos of my pops on YouTube. I'm actually going to show the video right now of him racing. So yeah, check that out. I actually throw that video in the description below if you guys want to watch the whole video. But yeah, so yeah, GSXR 750 Suzuki, man. I've been a GSXR boy all my life. My dad has as you guys can see in the video, my dad has a 1300 cc booster, and that is one of the biggest and baddest machines you can get for the road. So again, I grew up with fast bikes all the time, so me starting off on a 750, some people will say you're crazy for starting off on this, but honestly, man, I've been built around speed my entire life, so this is what I'm used to, you know what I'm saying? My dad, I've been watching videos and seeing my dad personally fly down the road throughout my entire life. I feel like there's a perfect amount of power. I'm gonna get a second bike. probably gonna get a Honda F4i, or I'm probably gonna get a Kawasaki Ninja 636 and then transform it into a stunt bike. That's if I don't find one out there already. Because there's plenty of stunt bikes I can pick up from someone, because I'm definitely not gonna stunt this. A 2013 with 1,700 miles on it, I'm definitely not gonna stunt this, because if I drop this, I'm gonna be sad. This is gonna be my showroom bike. And then I'm gonna get another stunt bike, possibly a cruiser. I'm also gonna get a dirt bike, so me and my little brother can rip up the trails, because my little brother got a quad. But yeah, man, so we got a lot of riding to do and a lot of videos to make. So yeah, if you guys would like to keep up with this channel, because I got a lot of cool shit coming. I mean, I'm talking racing, I'm talking stunting, I'm talking dirt biking, quad, and all that. If you guys are into all that, including the fashion, as you can see, I got my shoes on right now, then subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of dope shit soon. But yeah, guys, it's been your boy Pyro. I'm about to just fill up real quick and then go meet up with my boy in Brooklyn. So catch y'all later.
money straight just like a perm. Niggas talking shit, I call them out, I'm David Stern. Pull up on this block like nigga, what the fuck's the word? Pull up on this block like nigga, what the fuck you heard? Ayy, don't start no shit, it won't be no shit. Don't start no shit and you won't see those clips. Don't start no shit, it won't be no shit. Pussy keep talking, promise he gon' see those. I said, all blues, what I'm thumbing through. I just hit your girl and she said she coming through. I just hit her best friend, she said she coming too. I just hit two niggas hoes and what they gonna do? Nothing. All these niggas claim they stuntin' and they making money. Pocket check them niggas and I ain't come up with nothing. Cause these niggas really broken, always fucking frontin'. And I tell all my hoes delete, they can't post me on nothing lame. Change but the same gang, I call all my side hoes by the IG, man. When they hear this shit, they gon' kill me. And these niggas say I changed, but I'm still me, okay. 1 for the money and 2 for my niggas, 3 for the bitches and the problems that they give us, 4 for my troubles, all they get me richer, and 5 is for the niggas that couldn't make it with us. Listen, all my money straight just like a perm. Niggas talking shit, I call them out, I'm David Stern. Pull up on this block like nigga, what the fuck's the word? Pull up on this block like nigga, what the fuck you heard? Ayy, don't start no shit, it won't be no shit. Don't start no shit and you won't see those clips. Don't start no shit, it won't be no shit. Pussy keep talking, promise he gon' see those. Get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma do a check, nigga, is you with it? check, nigga, come and get us. Running up a check, nigga, come and get us. Whip it, get it, give it, get it, get it, yeah. Running, do these bad things, what up?